Hey everyone! So we're going to do a flip and drag today on an 8x16 canvas that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. These are nice little canvases. They do have the gasket in them like a level 2 from Michaels. So I've already got my cup ready. I am going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. You always want to spray that away from your canvas. And I will rub this in just a little bit because I don't really need the tiny cells. When I drag through the white, it's going to create cells on its own. Okay. So the colors I have today are Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. This is a Behr house paint. It's called Essential Teal. Some black from Creative Inspirations. Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. And Craft Smart SeaMist Pearl Metallic. So I am going to start with the SeaMist Pearl. We'll follow that with the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. We'll cover that with black. And then the Behr house paint, the Essential Teal. And the bronze. And I want just a tiny bit more black. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and flip that over in the middle. And because we sprayed the cup, all the paint will fall to the bottom. I like to poke a couple of little holes in there to release some of the suction. If you drip on your canvas, just dab it with your finger and you should be able to be back to your white. And that doesn't matter because we're going to be moving this around. Alright, so when doing a flip and drag, you don't want to scrape against the canvas. You want to try to glide your cup on top of the paint. It will release by itself. Sometimes you can't help it and you will hit the canvas and then you'll stop and you'll drop your paint just like I did there, but that's alright. It's still working. I used a little extra paint. I don't normally go past the height of my pinky, but I used a little extra because I wanted to fill this canvas up a little bit more. So I'm just going to move it around a little bit and fill in that spot there where I touched. But remember, wherever you move it to, make sure you move it back, because then your cells get a little wonky. So now we're going to stretch it out. I don't have any paint moving here actually, so that's fine because we have a lighter edge. I do want to bring this a little bit more this way. Okay. Looks a little strange, doesn't it? Still didn't get that spot, but I got it now. Alright, so I'm going to give it a quick torch, and then we're going to airbrush this out. So for all of you who got your airbrushes, congratulations, and welcome to the fun. I do have them in my Amazon shop. They are still on sale for $41.96, so if you haven't got one, get one now. I don't know how long they'll be on sale. So I'm just going to push the edges out. I like them a little wispy. I'm just touching them and going to the next area. Don't want to stay in one spot too long. And work it out. A lot of people I notice when they're airbrushing, they stay in one spot and they just shoot it. You want to work it out. So you're zigzagging your airbrush just a little bit. And as soon as I get some free time, we're going to start doing a few more tutorials with the airbrush. I still have girls that just can't get it, so I told them I will do another one. The whole key with the airbrush is to hold it like a pencil and turn it sideways. Now, a lot of you might find it easier when you're starting out to come this way towards you. If that works for you, that's fine. You don't have to push it away. You can pull it towards you. This really doesn't need much work here because it's already all lacy looking, and I like that look. But some spots I just love to play with because of the colors that are there, to blend them or to separate them. And see how I got that little hook there? You can push that back and you can go for it again. Don't be afraid to push it back. If you get it too far out, you can always put some white there and push it back. That looks pretty good. It's very wispy. Just what I wanted. Let me give it a quick torch. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell for notifications when we upload new videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse, with Christina Welch. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy. We have a fan mail box if you want to send us a gadget to try for you. We are more than willing. I should say Alan is more than willing. But we just have a good time on our channel, and we have a fantastic time on Monday nights. You can join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And we do a lot of viewer choice on colors and also on technique. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.